So in our previous video, we talked about communication in adult industry. Now we're gonna talk about cryptocurrency, which is here. About cryptocurrency. The thing is, this is useful because if you're, for example, you actually did done some illegal activities, or maybe you bought some item in like Amazon and you don't want to get tracked by the government, then you use this type of payment method, blockchain, or you can use, there are a lot of like cryptocurrency out there. I mean, hidden cryptocurrency that you can use out there, but you wanted like the safest and authorized, you can use the blockchain. And yeah, you will not be able to be tracked even if you're buying some activity, stuff like that. Just don't do that anyway. Empty error unknown. So these are all like the people, they're all like undeveloped website that you can go through. Daniel's chat. I think this person just wanted to chat. A lonely person or a lonely child, it depends. And there goes the loading, a lot of loading waits. While that's loading, let's go to Furum. So Furum, I have a links about Furum also here. Furums here. These are the Furums that I use because basically there's no onion in there. It's not a dark web website, but basically if you do some illegal stuff in there, then you need to access the Tor browser, dark web website. So yeah, these are all the forum that you can do. Sibolka, Dread, Envoy, Dark Discussion. Okay, so that's the reason why it's not working, because he's shutting down the website. Now let's go to the first of this amazing forum. So about Furum, you can access all of like for people's hacking tutorial, or chat to most of like amazing wonderful hackers out there, or maybe like get to know the news of the world that is unpublished. That's how what you can do in the Furum. Maybe get access to some certain games. I'll show you that later. And yeah, there it goes. There's the Furum. I cannot understand this. What is this language? I will not. Okay, English. Can I go English? How to sign up on Cebulka. So I'm new to all of this. So yeah, if you're curious, you can access this website. I think this website will be useful if you understand it, because it is, I don't know what it is, but I think it provides Holy Walker. Oh my god, it's still weed. The best HQ weed. Oh my goodness, my apology. Let me just get out of there. Okay, so anyway, I will not be able to show all of this forum because just to for their confidential matter, I will not be able to do that. But anyway, let's go to Raid forum. This is the forum that I've been using lately because it's for my gaming experience, just to like understand how most of the game works and all the stuff, and maybe to get lectured by most people. So announcement, you can also go here, and then world news. So there's basically nothing in the world news at the moment. Anime and manga, yeah, you can go there. Also cracking tools, cracking tutorials, pre-made configs, crack accounts, games. So yeah, I've accessed this here. It shows you GTA 6 leak, and I didn't actually watch it because I don't want to do some illegal stuff. But you can access it anyway because you will not get tracked if you wanted to. Actually, it's up to you. Yeah, that's all about the forums page. There's a lot of things you can access here. If you're curious, access all of this, and there's plenty of like forum that you can access also. But anyway, that's all about the forum. And then about this, it's all about like weird website. If you want to access it because you're a web, then you can go there. Weeaboo if you're a Weibo. Now that's all about like the forum. Then the fan joke games, also access that. And then hacking programming software, for people who's actually good at ethical hacking, or who's actually a prodigy of like programming, then this is the most useful for them because they can relate in all of this stuff. Yeah, there's 75 links that you can go here. Official mirror. But anyway, let's get inside to want to understand what it actually means. DivCon 18 and Asia News. I don't know what this person trying to say right now. I don't think this is okay. I will not be able to. Okay, so I don't understand what's about that stuff. Programming software. And then hosting. This is where you can create your website or links on the dark web. If you wanted to like sell something in the dark web without getting tracked, then you can go here. Private Alps Near One. You only use here for true offshore hosting website with plans, package for every kind of project, privacy guaranteed. Yeah, create your website here if you want. And then library and wikis. I don't know what this is, but I understand what wikis is. Basically all like the news or comic book library, the secret story or stuff like that. That is not shown in like most of wiki in Google. And then links and lists. Having a account shown here. Dark Eye, the Darknet Monitor, Daniel's Onion Link List, Under Deer, Official Mirror. Also, these are all like the website of like link list. I don't want to access it. Now Market Shop Store. So basically this is where people sell and buy stuff. Now to have a little bit of understanding what's inside there, let's access it. Okay, identity leak. I cannot do that. Come on, man, give me a break with this stuff. We are Amsterdam. So yeah, you can buy stuff here. Positive 33 EUR. What is this? Is this drugs? I don't know if this drugs. So I'm ignorant in most of this stuff, but if you're curious what this is, then I don't know what it is actually. Stimulants. Oh, it is drugs, of course. Cannibals and hashish, ecstasy. Oh my goodness, bro. These are crazy stuff. Mm. Yeah. You can buy stuff here with Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. Basically, look at all of this, the amount of money they got from selling all of this stuff. Anyway, that's about market and shop. Basically, there's three of this thing. And Darknet Trust, new whatever that is, and they can express this access that. I'm curious about this. So yeah, if you wanted to access dark web, just make sure you're accessing it because you're curious, not because you wanted to conduct some illegal activity or buy some guns. Because I will be the one to blame if you do that because I've shown you all the knowledge inside here. So no, I'm not gonna do that. Smoker. Okay, so that's all about the market and shop store. Then we have other. Other is basically website that they don't actually know what it is. Online anonymously, BBC Home. What does that mean? It's like big black or stuff. Okay, so there's a new version for Tor. News. Oh yeah, news. You can access news here. I will not do that. The New York Times. Breaking news. A lot of news and stuff. ProPublica. So yeah, ProPublica. I had it in my link here. I'll give it a few minutes. It's not included here. That's annoying. So ProPublica, I've used this before. I've accessed some journalism and all the news. And the thing is, that when I realized that it's actually illegal, because if you get caught like accessing private news and stuff like that, that is some fraudulent or illegal, I believe, because you know, because I think it's destroying some privacy in the journalism point of view. But yeah, I'm not gonna access that because I don't wanna dominate some rules anymore. But if you're doing it privately, then you can do it if you wish. So yeah, other and then personal sites and blogs. Um, yeah, executing reality, computer stuff as a hobby as jazz. So yeah, you can hire this guy. I think he just he wanted a job on dark web. And then the most disgusting website out there is scams. There is 20,000 in total. You can you can basically learn a lot of like scamming pattern here. Look at this red room scam, HD scam. You can hire some scammer here to like if you have an enemy and you wanted to get revenge. And then we have this disgusting here. I've actually access this. And the thing with this is that you can okay, I cannot explain it to you. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I don't think it'll be illegal to explain it to you. So what they do is they basically just destroy the premiums of those paid star P star. Yeah, they destroyed all the premium. You can access every video for free if you go there. And light money scam, black market real seller cards, Mr. Onion. Well, yeah, you can basically know everything about how to scam people here and maybe hire some people to scam here. There's a lot of things you can do here, but I beg of you, do not do that because I will be the one to blame if you do some illegal activity here. But please, this is just for educational matter also. Digital goods, all BTC, stolen cards, plastic sharks, shop card, clone cards, block shop scams, Lord Pay Market, Western Onion, hidden cards, and yeah, it's all of those disgusting stuff that you can do. It destroy some human life. I beg of you, do not do that. And yeah, let's get over scams because I cannot get over this because if you're a mischievous person, I think it will be exciting for you. But for those human out there, let's skip this part. Now search in here search is it's basically similar to these links. It's just searching stuff, torch search. So yeah, this is this category right here is you can make an infinite amount of like onion. You can access an infinite amount of onion links because it's similar to the things I've showed you. It's basically giving you all of the links. So yeah, you can search stuff here on dark websites. Let's see if we can do that. YouTube. Then there you go, dark marketplace with multi-sig escrow system, Torbay, escrow marketplace, stock vendors, YouTube. What is this? I don't want to know what this is. YouTube videos. Okay, so yeah, that's all about search. There's a lot of things you can go here and to actually maybe find what you're looking for, things that you're curious about. Yeah, you can go here. Security, privacy, encryption. And here is the most disgusting part because you can access everyone's privacy here, and at the same time you can also get some VPN here, for example Air VPN. So when you're trying to do something, then you will be hidden. Yeah, privacy by default, Proton, secure password generator. I've used this, it's useful, so you will not be able to forget your password. Anyway, dark web hosting and consulting. Yeah, here also about also access this where you can get consult if you're curious about stuff and you could not find an answer on your own. And in the field of dark web, then you can access this website and ask some people like, hey, how do you access this certain website? Why can't I access it? And then most people will answer it for you, or some of them will actually ask for money first, which is you will be paying in cryptocurrency. But yeah, those are security unsorted, that's 0. And then the last category is whistleblowing. I don't really know what this is. I don't know what's whistleblowing, but I think it's all about like knowing the news and stuff like that. Yes, it's like it's all about whistle and stuff, So yeah, those are all like the links, dark web links that you can access. In the next links, I will be showing you all of the most important dark web website that I believe that will make your life a little bit funny, a little bit cheeky, or if you want it to be shady, then you can do that too in the next links that I'll be showing you. So yeah.